From September 26th to September 30th, we encourage you to read a book by an Indigenous author in honor of the National Day for Truth and Reconciliation. For children in English, we recommend Stolen Words, written by Melanie, Florence, and illustrated by Gabrielle Grimard. This heartwarming story is about a little girl and her grandfather. The girl asks her grandfather to teach her the Cree language, but because he was taken to live at a residential school as a boy, his Cree words were stolen from him, and he cannot speak them. Can this little girl help her grandfather find his stolen words? Read this book to find out.
Je vous suggère Quand on était seuls, écrit par David A. Robertson, illustré par Julie Flett et publié aux éditions Des Plaines. It was originally written in English under the title When We Were Alone. Donc, on assiste à une discussion entre un enfant et sa grand-mère, sa coucoum. À travers une discussion toute simple mais puissante, on en apprend davantage sur son expérience et sur quelques traditions autochtones. Vraiment un bel ouvrage pour aborder tout en douceur cette thématique auprès des enfants d'âge préscolaire.